Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be super fine. Guys, once again I have come up with an amazing Forex trading broker who is providing $10 no deposit bonus 2024. Let's get started. How can we get $10 no deposit bonus from this broker? But before talking about the no deposit bonus, I wanted to say that watch this video complete so that you can understand all in the terms and condition. Multibank $10 no deposit bonus 2024. Bonus summary. Broker name, Multibank. Available for new traders. Validity date, the 31st of December 2024. Bonus amount, $10. Multibank Group no deposit bonus of $10 USD for new traders who register during the active campaign period. The promotion is released in Russian to trade with live financial assets that include no risk of losing money. Take the privilege of risk-free trading where all the profits are withdrawable just after met the conditions. Each client gets $10 USD. Bonus under this promotion. Forex $10 USD no deposit bonus 2024. Register an account. Verify the personal details. Get a bonus of $30. Cash out. Bonus no. Profits. Yes, the maximum profit available for withdrawal is $200. Multibank no deposit bonus. Terms. The bonus is terminated at any time without notice. The bonus is only available for new clients. General terms and conditions apply. This promotion can be terminated any time without any such notice. Please be advised to ask their support to know all the details before applying for this bonus. Hopefully you enjoyed video and learned something new. Please subscribe to our channel and like video and share it among your friends and family members. Thanks. Disclaimer. I am not able to provide financial advice. Forex trading can be risky, so please do your own research before investing any money.